Hello, my name is Uzamaka and I'm the founder of the ministry called the Women of Remarkable Destiny. The purpose of this ministry is to help the recovery process of people who've experienced sexual abuse. As a child, I was sexually abused and it took me over 30 years to find healing and wholeness. And I identified over 80 issues. And as a result of that, I designed a program and I've actually started a teaching series called Overcoming the Effects of Sexual Abuse. My first teaching session deals with anger. I had a lot of issues with anger and I'm still work in progress. I share my testimony, I share real life experiences, and I give you tips on how to overcome this thing called anger. And it was there for many years. So you can find us on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, The Women of Remarkable Destiny. You can follow us at Twitter and Instagram, the word O3. So join me on this session, The Women of Remarkable Destiny, Overcoming Anger.